everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to bring you along shopping with me at IKEA so we can check out all of their new products right now. They just released a bunch of new cool decor pieces that I just have to see in person. So if you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. I have a huge announcement and makeover project coming soon on my channel, actually this month. So make sure you guys are subscribed and have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the big announcement. Let's go ahead and head to IKEA. Let's head right upstairs to the IKEA showroom. Walking around this showroom is definitely one of my favorite pastimes. I grab so much design inspiration and DIY ideas, and I just love checking out all the products styled in spaces. You just get a better sense of how you can use everything. I'm noticing brighter colors and everything is just screaming summer. Now, I don't think I've ever seen this piece before, but it's a wall rack that's only $3. It would be the perfect thing for any small space, a small hallway, to keep all your stuff off the floor and keep it looking tidy. This space here highlighted really great styling tricks that you can use in your home. You can style the back of your sofa with benches or console tables like this. You can also layer multiple rugs, putting down a beautiful jute rug like the Low Halls one here with a vintage colorful rug on top looks amazing. It adds color and texture to your space. So I just wanted to highlight all these little decorating tricks along the way. I see they have some new fabric options in the Remsta chair, which is a really cute, contemporary, but also traditional looking chair. This is their new fabric. It's creamy, kind of ivory, and it's really pretty. It's such a cute chair for a small space. They also have new fabric options in this chair. They have a gray and they have this beige corduroy, which is coming back in style. They've also added a lighter leg, so you kind of get a whole new look here. Now, I'm sure you're all familiar with the Billy bookcase. This is a very popular bookcase here. It's affordable, it comes in different colors. These are their newer colors from last year, and this is their brand new color right now. I would say it's kind of a teal, seafoam kind of color. It has wood shelves, and it's something really bright and cheery, but also kind of neutral. So I'm loving this. It's really beautiful. It's a great piece to kind of accent your home with. I think I found my favorite bookcase. This is such a beautiful piece. It's not new, but I don't know why I've never seen it before. It's so oversized, it feels very heavy and sturdy, and it's $3.29. I need this cabinet. I think it would look so great in a dining room or in a hallway or an open space. It just looks so grand and high-end. I'm loving it. Getting into new IKEA wardrobes, there's another huge oversized piece that I'm loving here. This is their brand new wardrobe. It has these double doors, so much storage with shelves underneath, a rod up top. This could totally replace your closet. I like that it already has organization all built into it, and it has a really pretty look on the outside. It's something that you could even paint if you want to switch up the color or change out the hardware. Just passing through the kids section here, I love looking into these rooms to find ideas. I love that painted wall and the color, and this with the bed right in the middle. What a fun idea. Now we found some great new items upstairs, but I know there's even more downstairs in the marketplace. The first new thing I'm seeing down here are the new tea towels. They always bring out a new print pretty much every season, and this just screams summer, doesn't it? These come as a set of 4 for $2.99. This is the section that I came here for today. I heard IKEA came out with all new handmade decor pieces, and I literally ran out the door. I am so excited to see these in person. I love these two pieces here. They're brand new. They look great styled together. This one is a vase. You can use it as a vessel just to style in your home. This is a serving bowl, but I think it just looks really cute open like that without food inside. I think it'd be really cute even as a little key holder by the front door. The texture and the imperfections in these two pieces is just stunning. So really cool to see IKEA have all these handmade pieces. This again would be super cute for keys or just styling. I actually love all those three pieces together because all the handles match. They're all at different scales, and yeah, every time you see that little handmade tag, you know you're getting a really great piece. Ooh, they also have this blue serving tray. Same look, larger scale, but in a color. So if you are into adding colors in your home and you want to bring in that cheery, summery look, this would be super cute. This is a faux philodendron plant, which is so cute. If you love the look of that hanging vine look, but you don't have a light, bright space for it to thrive, this would be a really great option. In this handmade section, they also have new rugs. This is a really pretty one for $179, very simple with the black lines. They also have this colorful one and a runner. Now into the bathroom section, they have brand new pieces here. I love this new 3-piece bathroom set. It comes with a soap dispenser, a little tray, and a cup, and it's only $12.99. It's a stone finish, very heavy, and just looks so much more high-end than it really is. They also have all of this new bathroom organization wall storage. I love the black finish. I feel like that works so well with mixing metals. If you have gold in your bathroom or chrome or silver, black will always work with it. If you're doing a bathroom renovation, definitely look into these because they're definitely more affordable than getting them elsewhere. Ooh, sticking with the new black theme, this new 3-piece set is really nice as well, and it's $14.99 for all 3 pieces. There are a few new towel options here, but I wanted to point these specific towels out quickly. These are beautiful because they're half waffle towel, half terry cloth. They come in all these different colors and sizes, and when they're folded, they look more like a blanket or bedding, sheets. It just gives off a really high-end look. Moving into the pillow and cushion section, I found this new round pillow and it's so cute. It's in a really pretty blush velvet, and I love that you can kind of throw these onto the floor as a floor cushion, style them on your bed or your sofa. So they're a really cute, versatile piece for $7.99. There are lots of new things in here today. There's even some new throw blankets for $10. This is such a cozy, soft blanket in a very neutral color of gray, and they also have it in white. So if you're looking for a really affordable, cozy throw blanket, this is definitely it. Now I want to point out a few rugs here, specifically these neutral rugs. This one right in front has a very easy to work with design. You can go Scandinavian, mid-century, modern, vintage. It's also really, really affordable. They also have this cozy braided knit rug. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's $250 and still, I think that's such a great deal. And if you're looking for something with a ton of texture, kind of boho looking with some tassels, this rug here is the perfect option for $199. Now, if you're looking for a boho but colorful boho rug, this is definitely it. It's cozy, it's shaggy, it's colorful, and it also has tassels. And here is a new outdoor-indoor flat woven rug. These are perfect for layering. Now this wouldn't be an IKEA shopping video without checking out the IKEA basket section. I swear they have the best baskets at the best price, and here are some brand new ones. I love that they're bowl shape, they're handmade, and they would look beautiful, styled, really anywhere around your home. It just adds so much warmth. They've continued that woven look into the lighting section and came out with this new woven pendant light. This is the first time I've been to IKEA where this product hasn't been sold out. It's a new kind of pin board, but I think it would be really cool to turn into a headboard. That would be a really fun DIY project. Let me know down below if you agree. Another section filled with new pieces. I see new faux plants and decorative pieces, and this really interesting thing. This is a plant watering sensor. It looks like you stick it into your plant and it lights up when it needs more water. How amazing is that? I definitely need this because none of my plants seem to last. Curves and arches and round products are totally in style right now, so they have this little pack of 2 for $10. The summertime is the best time to check out the IKEA plant section because they have all of their real plants and they always sell great faux plants here. There's some new styles. They even have new cacti here for $30, and they have some great faux majesty palm trees. These look really great if they're kind of pulled apart and styled to look a little bit more natural because they sell them all pushed together. So just imagine it all opened up and it would look a lot more realistic. Oh, I see some new plant stands here. This one is really cute. It has a nice gold stand with a black pot for $12.99, but I actually really love this all black one. It gives off a very modern look. I think it would look really pretty with a little plant hanging out of it. I definitely need to get this. Now before I go, as always, I check out the as is section. If you haven't heard of this, it's an area of IKEA that's kind of like a thrift store. You get that thrift store experience. Everything is marked down. So this chair was $329 and now it's $213. You can find desks and dining tables, dining chairs, cabinets, really anything. It's always changing up. So if you're looking for more on sale items, this is the section you need to check out. I ended up picking up a few things today. The little black plant stand, I got the black soap set, I also got the fake plant, and some of their handmade items. I'm so excited to style them in upcoming projects, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along shopping with me today at IKEA and seeing all of the new products for the summer. Let me know down below in the comments which new IKEA product was your favorite. I love all the new decor pieces there. I feel like IKEA is totally keeping up with all of the trends and making it so much more affordable for us to achieve that look for less. If you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!